guys, it's starting to snow. We need to get back to camp. I don't know which way to go. Me neither. I mean, it's so snowy and I think there's a snowstorm coming. Yeah, maybe it was this way. Let's go. Okay, whatever you say. Yeah, whatever you say. Wait, guys, the stuff. We need the stuff. Just leave it. We need to get back. We'll come back when it's over. I think it was actually that way. Okay, I guess we should go. Gee, there's thunder. Oh, gee, there's so much thunder. Why'd there be thunder in a snowstorm, though? Polar bear! Oh, gee! Don't be scared of me. My name's just Ari. I'm a nice polar bear. Can you see in the snow? Yeah. Ari? Hi. Oh, hi, Baltic. Yes, she can see in the snow. We are really good friends. I bet your camp's back this way. Oh, there's a tent. I think that's your camp. Yes! Our camp! OMG, it's a camp! OMG, it's the camp. Hurry, everybody, into the tent. Oh my goodness gracious.